everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down maths topics the easy way. In this video we'll learn how to round numbers step by step, including rounding to the nearest 10, 100 and decimal places, with a few worked examples for GCSE Maths. Rounding is used to make numbers simpler, while still keeping them close to the original number. This can help in simplifying calculations where precision is not as important. The golden rule for rounding is as follows. If the number is between 0 and 4 after the number we want to round to, then we round down or keep the number the same, however you want to look at it. However, if the number after the one we want to round to is between 5 and 9, then we round up, i.e. increase the value of the number. This is useful in real life, for example when estimating costs or measurements. Now let's take a look at a few examples. Suppose we want to round the number 4376 to the nearest 100. We take a look at the number in the hundreds place, and in this case that number is 3. So we need to see whether the number to the right of the 3 is between 0 and 4 or 5 and 9. Taking a look, we can see that that number is a 7. This falls within the range of 5 to 9, and so we must round up. This means that 4376 becomes 4400 when rounded up, and that becomes our final answer. Now let's take a look at a second example, this time involving decimal places. Suppose we want to round the number 5.264 to 2 decimal places. I've shortened decimal places to dp here. Let's identify the number in the second decimal place. In this case that is 6. As with before, we'll take a look to the number to the right of the 6. This is 4. Now let's go back to our golden rule, and remember, if the number is between 0 and 4 inclusive, we round down or keep the number the same. They're both equivalent. This gives us our final answer of 5.26 to 2 decimal places. And it's as simple as that. Master the skill of rounding as it comes up in a lot of questions and is a very useful tool in real life. If this helps you feel more confident about rounding, hit like, subscribe for more walkthroughs, and drop a comment below if there's a topic you'd like for me to cover next. You've got this. See you in the next video.